Okay, so we're going to make a towel elephant that you can see regularly on Carnival Cruise Line. So here we go. We've got a large towel and what they'll call a medium-sized towel, but it's really a hand towel that you're going to find at the store. Now, I have found that the thinner the towel, the better to do this. So you're going to fold in on the first side, probably about, 3 inches, and fold in on the other side as well. I don't like that it touches, and I've tried a couple of times, so I like it to be a little bit further apart. It makes it a little bit more pliable. So then we're gonna roll from the edge in tightly to the center. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side so that they meet. See, they kind of roll in and roll out. Okay, now I've tried this 2 different ways, but I think the best way is if you've got the outside roll, do it on the outside, not the inside, so that the roll is there. So I like the outside. There we go. And you've got your 4 legs. Now this is the tricky part. Here's your hand towel. You start at one corner and you roll into the center. And this is tight as well. That's probably the hardest part. You almost need 3 hands to do this really, really well. I don't know how they do it so many times with one cabin steward. And so once you're in the center, you're gonna start on the other side. And it's supposed to be tight. And then you're meeting in the middle. And then somehow you're gonna kind of roll them both at the same time. There you go. Okay, so then once you've got it, you kind of have a thing that looks like this. And you're going to take the top part here. No, wait, that's not right. Turn it around. You can take the top part and fold it under like that. So you start to see the ears and a trunk, okay? And then you can kind of bend and play with the trunk a little bit. If you've got a wire, it probably helps better, but that works. And then you can kind of flop the ears out just a little bit. And then you're gonna plop this right on top of your towels. And I don't have little eyes today, but I do have some sunglasses. So we'll put those right on top. And we did it.